Ready? Start. The present appeal has been preferred by Messrs. Swastik Finbold India Private Limited, hereinafter referred to as the Appellant Company, and by its ex-directors Sri Sitaram Singhal and Srimati Asa Singhal under Section 252 Clause 1 of the Companies Act 2013 for seeking restoration of the Appellant Company in the register maintained by the Registrar of the Companies NCT of Delhi and Haryana ROC. As per the averments, Messrs. Swastik Finbuild India Private Limited was incorporated on 19/1/1996 with CIN number U70, having its registered office at 59/4336 Padam Singh Road, Karol Bagh, New Delhi 110005, which is within the jurisdiction of this tribunal. It is submitted by the appellant that the ROC Delhi and Haryana had struck off the appellant company's name from the register due to defaults in statutory compliances, namely failure to file financial statements and annual returns since in its incorporation. Consequently, the ROC initiated proceedings under Section 248 of the Companies Act 2013 and struck off the name of the appellant company from its register YDSTK 7 notice number ROC dated 1/9/2017. The name of the appellant company appeared at serial number 22002 of the list of companies whose names were struck off due to default in statutory compliances. It is submitted by the appellant that it was established in the year 1996 and during that year the company brought a plot YD sale deed dated 3/5/1996 registered with the Revenue District of Gurugram in order to implement a housing project. It is added that a legal dispute arose on the said plot, as a result of which the appellant company could not execute the project for which the plot was purchased. It is further submitted by the appellant that on 7/5/1996 it filed a civil suit bearing number 96 of 1996 titled as Swastik Finbuild India Private Limited versus Bhavani Prasad and others before the Court of Civil Judge Junior Division Gurugram District Court, seeking relief of suit for mandatory injunction and permanent injunction. It is added that the suit was decided in the favor of the appellant company on 4/1/2014. However, an appeal was filed before the additional district judge Gurugram against the said order, and the same was also decided in the favor of the appellant company on 1/9/2015. It is added by the appellant that a second appeal against the judgment dated 4/1/2014 and 1/9/2015 has been filed before Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana YD RSA number 481 of 2016 titled as Bhavani Prasad deed through LRS and others versus Messrs. Swastik Finbuild India Private Limited and others, which is still pending, and the next date of hearing in the matter is fixed for 29/9/2021. It is further added that the appellant company has also filed a civil execution petition bearing number 607 of 2019 titled as Swastik Finbuild India Private Limited versus Bhavani Prasad and others before the Court of Civil Judge, Junior Division, Gurugram District Court for execution of judgment and decree dated 4/1/2014, which is also pending before the civil court, that in order to defend allege its claim before the courts, the appellant company has sought restoration of its name in the register of ROC. Further, the appellant company has averred that it is in position to file its balance sheets for the financial years from 1996 to 2016-17, that the ROC has filed its report on 15/3/2021 and submitted that the appellant company has not been able to substantiate that it was in operation even since launching of MCA 21 portal in 1996. No records of the annual return and balance sheet of the company exist on the portal. The Hive added that company has not submitted any document except the balance sheet for one financial year, that is 2016-17, only, in which 2. the revenue from its operations is 0. Scanned copy of the relevant extracts of the report of ROC is reproduced below. That is submitted by the petitioner that the respondent company has made part payment to interest of rupees 17,000 only in the month of October 2019. It is further submitted by the petitioner that after the amount got matured, it has approached the respondent company several times, but the respondent company gave vague replies and failed to liquidate its dues. That the respondent company has filed its reply as well as written submissions and objected to the prayers made by the petitioner.